Hello, Zach Goodman from Brixn at the Home Show. I'm here to talk about the Brixn app. We understand that the great Australian dream is to own your own home, but often it can be stressful and confusing. Brixn's been developed to take the stress and confusion out of it and create an exceptional experience. What we're able to do is start to look at your experience right from saving a deposit all the way through to settlement. From finding qualified mortgage brokers and industry professionals to being updated the entire process as you get pre-approvals and finance. You're able to start to compare properties as you look at different areas within your region and be comfortable that you're going to know all the information with our hints and tips, negotiating, contract, all the way through to conveyancing. Your conveyancer is able to then update you right throughout with all of your contract specific information, and you receive real-time notifications so that not only do you never miss a beat, but you're also able to be reminded of the things upcoming. Finally, connecting your utilities has never been easier. With Brixn Express, we're able to connect all utilities for you by simply clicking and calling. Brixn loves the idea that we can help Australians get into their homes quicker, easier and simpler, and it's with Brixn that we're able to connect all those dots for you. Look forward to speaking with you or having you download our app. It's Zach from Brixn signing off from the Home Show.